it's Mark from Not Taught at School and welcome to today's video. In today's video I'm going to go ahead and share with you how you can get paid for simply sharing your opinion and giving some feedback. Now this can be on products, it can be on websites, it can be on surveys, it can be on many different things, and you go ahead and you can earn some really decent money with doing this. Now, like most things we share on this channel, it's simple, it's easy, it's quick, and it's free to get started with. So we'll go ahead and we'll jump into that in a second. If this is the first time you're on the channel, welcome. My name is Mark. This on the screen is one of my blogs. It's called Not Taught at School. Now I go ahead and I blog and I upload videos daily about earning online and working from home. So if you're interested in earning online and working from home, go ahead, subscribe to the channel and hit the notifications bell, and then you'll get notified every single time I upload a video. This here on the screen I've just said is my blog, and feel free to go ahead and have a look at this. There's many articles on here about working from home, making money. And on the right hand side I have a members area where we've got lots of freebies, we've got PDFs, we've got ebooks, we've got courses, you can see here. So simply go and put your name and email and you'll get instant access to that. So let's jump into today's video. So the site we're looking at today is this one here. Oh, it's not this one here, it's this one here called Mind Swarms. So how this works, this here is the website and you can download an app. The app's available on the Android and also the iPhone store. Now what happens is you go ahead, you create an account, it's free to create an account, and then you would then go and apply for different jobs on the back office. Now the jobs, there are a wide variety of different jobs that are available on there. On the screen now you can see someone testing some form of makeup, mascara brush I think that was. There's clothes companies on there, there's food companies, there's technology companies, there's all sorts of things on here. Now the companies who are going on here, they're paying you, and then you go and create a video diary, not a diary, a video feedback, like this here, a video testimonial. So you get the products, you create a video testimonial, you upload it onto here, and then you go and get paid. It's as simple as that. And this here is the home page, so you can see here we've got companies and researchers here, and participants enter over here. So I'll drop a link to this below for you. So this here is on the mobile videos, and below down here there's some examples of videos. So I've had a look at some of these videos. I'll just give you a brief example of a couple of these so you can see exactly the sort of videos that you have to go ahead and upload. But as you can see, most of these, they're not much longer than a minute long in terms of how you have to go ahead and give your feedback to the company. So let me just I'll play this one because I've not watched this one yet, so let's see what this one was.
I think Instagram has definitely changed the way that people in general and I shop. I've definitely bought pieces that I've seen stores' accounts posting on Instagram, or, you know, whenever stores post new arrivals, sometimes I end up purchasing something through.
So just cutting this lady off here, this looks like this was a survey around Instagram and about shopping habits and how Instagram's affecting potentially e-commerce and things. So this is just a really simple way of giving you feedback. This person here was talking about sports bras. This gentleman down here I think was talking about razors. So you can see the sort of videos that people are going ahead and uploading on here. Now if you're not comfortable going ahead and recording a video on here, then unfortunately this isn't for you. But in terms of the actual videos, it's literally just a quick 1 minute bit of feedback for them. And go and have a look at some of these below. I'll drop a link to this below for you. You can go and see some of these video testimonials that people have done on the website. They're really simple to do. You can do these on your phone, you can do these on your computer, you can do these on a laptop with your webcam. They really are simple to get started with. So let me show you how this works. So, and again, don't worry, any of these links that I'm jumping from on here, I'll drop below the video for you. So this one here, how it works, create an account. So simply create an account, and you can do this on the laptop laptop or computer. You can then choose to download this on the Android or the iOS. And then all you want to do when you're doing this is put in your details, but don't lie when you're doing this. Make sure when you're filling this in, you're putting in your proper details, because they will match you to surveys which are relevant for you. So there's no point in putting on here you're 20 years old when you're actually 30, because the surveys that they're going to send out to you are not going to be relevant, and then when you're recording your testimonial video, I think they'll suss that out pretty quickly. So I've spoken to people before about doing online surveys and doing testimonials and feedback, and for whatever reason they don't put on their actual information. So just don't lie is my one bit of advice for you on there. Put on your details, and then you'll get matched to surveys which are relevant to you. Just be honest. And then you can see here, so create an account, and then you simply apply for surveys in the back office, and surveys will be matched to you depending on the information that you have uploaded on your profile. You then answer, once you've been accepted to one of these surveys, you can see here, you'll get invited to a survey. You'll be asked to answer up to 7 questions using the video function on your smartphone, tablet or webcam. It takes less than 10 minutes to record your answers, and you will help impact future products, advertising, business decisions, etc. Now, it says here, we pay you $50 via PayPal for every survey you complete. Payments are sent 24 hours after you complete a survey. So it says here you're going to earn $50 via PayPal, but then when I actually looked a little bit more into this, we'll scroll down here. This one here, yeah, we'll pay you, seriously. We pay you we pay you $50 to answer 7 questions. Now, if there isn't 7 questions in one of these video testimonials or surveys, they then pay you $10 to answer 1 question. It's that simple. So this is basically how this works. It's free, it's simple, it's easy. Create an account, put your details on, apply for some of these surveys. You'll get matched to companies who are looking for relevant feedback about products, about websites, about fitness, razors, whatever it may be. You then get sent the product out, you trial the product, you test the product, you create a very easy testimonial video, and you upload that, then you go ahead and you get paid via PayPal. That is it. Now, like I say, I'll drop links to all these pages below for you. But if you are worried about these videos, you can simply go ahead and just look at these example videos here and just look at what these other people have done on here, because they're nothing sensational, they're nothing out of the world. Look, 57 seconds, 54 seconds, 1 minute and 5 seconds. They're really simple to do. So that is today's video. It's quick, it's simple, it's easy. You're not going to earn hundreds of thousands of pounds every single month, but it's another little simple way you can start earning some extra money online working from home, and it's free to join. So that's it for today's video. Mindswarms.com. I'll leave links to everything below for you, and I'll also drop a link over to the blog so you can go ahead and check out many more ways to work from home and earn online. So thank you again for watching. I shall see you tomorrow.